Hello everyone. So welcome back to this channel once again, and in this video tutorial we will discuss fully free RPG here. So this time we will discuss F specs. So I actually break uh, F specs topics into separate videos. So I'll be creating multiple videos on the F specs because there are many things which we can declare in the F specs, and how we will be declaring them in fixed RPG versus fully RPG. I'll be showing you that in this video. So that's not a fully runnable example, that's just a syntax demo, that what would be the syntax we would be writing when we are writing a fixed format, or we are writing the fully free RPG format. So that's here. So let me move on to the example. So this time I'm going to explain defining external describe disk file without a key and open for input in fixed RPG versus fully free RPG. So let me show you this example. So here I just only use that statement. So I'm not going to compile this, even this won't get compiled. So this is just an statement. So here you can see I defined one file, file1, which is an input mode, and that is a fully procedural file, and that's an external file. And since this is a disk file, so we use disk here. Now this is the fixed format. So let me open the fully free RPG format for the same. So first thing, we will be using the star free, the on the first line and first column. That's mandatory always. So how we can write this? We can write this either like this, using the DCL-F opcode and the file name. So file name is file1. So here you can see I can write either in this way, in this way, in this way, or this way. There are others as well. As you can see, the disk star ext and usage star input is optional, because by default, if we do not specify disk keyword with star ext, it will assume the disk file, and the by default the usage assumed is star input. So if we do not define like this, and if we define only like this, so it will be assumed that this is a disk externally described file with opened in the input mode, this one. So either you can write like this, that's very simple, or you can like this, disk ext usage star input. Then you can make the combination. Here I make one combination, like I used usage star input and disk. You can also write like disk star ext, and you do not want to write usage. In that case it is assumed. So this way you can write or declare uh, external describe file in input mode having no key, in fixed format versus fixed RPG versus fully free RPG format. So uh, that's all in this video. Thank you and have a nice